जय जय राम कृष्ण हरी बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय. Today here Sant Sadhguru Ganeshnath Maharaj have told us about detachment, and this is Abhang serial number 27. Samsari asta jari dev jode. If you are thinking, I am in society, I have different type of relationship, and I can maintain this relationship as well as I can come to know myself. Who am I? Yeah, it is possible. But how? For that, as physically, we have to make these all relationship, or we can maintain those all relationship. But heartily, we have to detach from all those things which are this related physical body, and continuously chant Prabhu Nama, and take all those knowledge, that type of knowledge, through which knowledge through we grow our that meditation, and we can see the that God nature or Paramatma Parmeshwar Swarupa in our heart. So that's reason this detachment is very important. It's not regarding physical body, it's regarding heart. Means internally how we will be detached from those all things which are taking us down. If that is a bad habit, if it is a anything which is taking down, so if you want to grow up, then we need proper knowledge and that detachment. तरीका होते वेळे संत साधू, and this is the way already so many sage sant and preshit, prophet, so many people went on this way and they reached that position. Once we reach that position, lifetime satisfaction we will get. Then there's no worriness, always we will be happy. संसारी असता जरी देव भेटता. Sometime what we are thinking, if I am in society, if I am in my family, and side by side I can do everything, like I will stay with my family also, and I will do some responsibility regarding religion, regarding God. And for that what we are doing, weekly, monthly, yearly, we will go temple, church and masjid, and we will donate something, and we are thinking, yeah, this is my duty. No, it's not duty. This is not God work. Then what is God work? God is not actually, we are thinking God is outside somewhere in sky or like that. But we don't know God already existed in our body, in our heart. And to know that God, daily basis, we need to do some Atma Chintana. We have to do some detachment from those things which are related to this physical body. But we are spending year and year to do hard work for our family, for our kids, for our means it is required, we have to do, yes, but as a physical body, but heartly must we have to detach from those things, and we have to pray, we have to chant continuously Prabhu Nama. Then only we can see that Atma Sukha. तरी शुकदेव का जाता तपा लागी. And here is one example. There is one Shuk Muni who is from childhood onwards, means from his birth only, he have detachment with those all things which are related to this physical world. He don't know about this physical environment or anything. He innerly means his inner vision is totally opened and he can see Parmeshwar Paramatma Swarupa inner body. And Karita Grahashrama Jari Jode Parbrahma. If you want to stay in family, if you want to stay in society, yeah, we have to stay because this is a human being life. No need to go in Himalaya, no need to go in forest, not required. Why should we go there? If you go there and we are thinking about our family, then what is use to go there? So physically no importance where we are, in forest, in Himalaya, or in house, home, doesn't matter. Inner, heartly where we are, our mind, our heart, our feelings regarding what? If you are have bad habit, bad thought, bad behavior, then we will not get that. We can't is able to know God nature, God power. To know that, we have to heartily pure, like mercy, peaceful. If these quality are in our heart, definitely we will come to know God, ourself only, that is. And tarika ashrama त्याजले त्याने. So that's reason no need to go in jungle, means in forest or anywhere. Just we have to detach from this physical world heartily and continuously chant Prabhu Nama. Definitely we will get that position. यातीचे आचार्य जरी सापडे सार, no matter in which religion, in which caste, in which family we have birth, because it doesn't matter, but it definitely matter on last day, in which condition, in which situation we have died. If you die with nervousness, then it's a waste of life. And if you die with satisfaction, then it's a grateful life. We will be again, if you come next janma also, we will be full happy. Or if you don't want to means that time we will become witness, that time we will feel freedom, and that is called satisfaction position. And to reach that position, detachment is very important. तरी का निराकार झाले साधू. And this way so many sadhu, sant, mahatma already went and they reached that position. So we have lot of example front of us, so just we have to follow that way to reach that position. Ganeshnath म्हणे सर्वस्व सांडून, and I sacrifice so many things to know myself, who am I, and now I come to know, and this is my goal, and I have reached. आलो तुझे शरण सद्गुरुनाथा, and I have dedication towards my Sadgurunatha, means my Guru, and he shown me that way and I follow that way and I come to know myself. So thank you Sadguru, thank you Parmeshwar Paramatma. गणेशनाथ 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 गणेशनाथ. बोला पुंडलिक वरदे हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. संत सद्गुरु गणेशनाथ महाराज की जय.